everybody. So I hope you got yesterday's challenge done. I'm cleaning our microwave and oven, and if you didn't, that's okay. It's not too late to jump in whenever you can. And some of these jobs you could probably do more than one in a day if you did it, like if you didn't have time that day. So today's is to clean our appliances and our dishwasher. So I'm going to do my fridge, and then I'm actually using my toaster to hold up my iPad right now. So I'll do the toaster and my coffee maker, which is beside, so I can't show you those. But I'm going to do those as soon as I'm done this, and I'll show you what I can show you on my fridge. So again, stainless steel, which is awesome for showing the size of my children's hands currently. Obviously why we bought it. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use, again, an enviro cloth, or right now I have the kitchen cloth, the special edition one with the ribs on one side and the scrubby ribbies on the other. And then I just have my window cloth. It's dry, and I usually just fold it in fours again so I can have it's kind of hand size then. If not, it's like too big and floppy for me. But other people don't mind. So do whatever you want. The enviro we usually recommend fours because it gets dirtier and you can flip it around and use different sides. So all I do with mine is just wipe it down. I always have to get the handles because mine are usually fairly crusty. So there's that. And then just a wipe. So I always get asked, what should I use on my stainless steel? This. Now, if you have been using anything else that's maybe a coating oil or anything like that, if you switch to an enviro cloth or a window cloth, it is going to look very streaky at first. This fridge has never used anything but these. I got it long after I've been using Norwex, so it's never had anything, so I can easily just clean it with this. So that's what I would recommend. If you ever do have any problems with it, you can let me know and I can help you answer questions or post them in the group. And other people are Norwex experts as well, and they'll jump in and help you. So today's mission is to wipe your appliances, wash your appliances. Good luck!